Hi, my name is James. I am 9 years old.
Hi, my name is James.
That's my friend Emily. She is 8 years old. She is a student.
That's my friend Emily. She is 8.
Thank you, James. You're a student too.
Thank you, James. You're a student too.
Yes, you are right. We are students.
Yes, you are right. We are students.
Who are they?
Who are they?
That's my uncle's family. They are happy.
That's my uncle's family. They are happy.
Who is that?
Who is that?
That's my uncle, George.
That's my uncle, George.
He is a friendly man. He is a businessman.
He is a friendly man. He is a business.
Who is that?
Who is that?
That's my Aunt Sophia.
That's my Aunt Sophia.
She is a kind woman. She is a nurse.
She's a kind woman. She is a nurse. Yay!
Who is that?
Who is that?
That's my cousin Harry.
That's my cousin Harry.
He is a funny boy. He is 6 years old.
He's a funny boy. He is 6 years old.
Who is that?
Who is that?
That's my cousin Lily.
That's my cousin Lily.
She is a little girl. She's 4 years old.
She's a little girl. She's 4 years old.
Who is that?
Who is that?
That's my aunt's baby.
That's my aunt's baby.
She is a cute baby. She is a 1-year-old.
She's a cute baby. She's 1 year old.
What's that?
What's that?
That's Lily's toy.
That's Lily's toy.
It is a baby panda. It is a toy.
It is a baby panda. It is a toy.
A friendly man.
He is a friendly man.
He is a friendly man.
A kind woman.
She is a kind woman.
She is a kind woman.
A funny boy.
He is a funny boy.
He is a funny boy.
A little girl.
She is a little girl.
She is a little girl.
A cute baby.
She is a cute baby.
She is a cute baby.
A baby.
A baby.
A girl.
A girl.
A boy.
A boy.
A woman.
A woman.
A man.
A man.